want my number? Can I ask why? You can't say. Does that mean you're gonna call me? Is this a dare or something? Why can't you talk? There you go.
Do I need to call someone? No, I don't. Oh, you want my number?
I'm really confused. What? No, I'm sorry, I'm seeing someone. Thank you though.
What? 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 Do you speak? What do you need? Caitlin's number? Who are you? No, I'm sorry. Have a good day. Sorry.
You can't speak. What is this? This is a... Okay. There you go. Good pickup line. That worked out well for you.
There you go.
Nice to meet you.
Can I help you? I'm sorry, what? Are you asking me to put my number in? I'm sorry, I don't know you. Otherwise, I'm sorry. maybe another time. I'm sorry. Hi. Okay. What's up? Do you talk? Oh, okay.
Hi. Nice to meet you. Alright. So this is our first time in IV.
Yeah, dude.
Want to tell her like what you like the
can't
best
talk.
about it?
You can't talk.
Oh, they're recording it. Oh my God! Yes.
Great beard.
Thank you.
Amazing beard. You are everything I thought I never wanted in a woman.
That's a compliment.
Yeah.
Thank you.